As of now ba or in the near future, magkakaroon ba tayo halimbawa ng mga dedicated energy arrangements just to comply with the requirements of this vision?
That's the reason why ang next punta ko from Tel Aviv is Abu Dhabi and Dubai.
Mm.
Hindi lang masyadong given ng prominence, but there's a sovereign wealth fund supported entity sa UAE called Masdar. It's part of a global acquisition of several billions of assets related to renewable energy. They acquired the assets of another entity,
Yeah.
and that includes two renewable energy projects in the Philippines. So
Mm.
yung Middle Eastern countries, in particular si UAE, have been very active in terms of looking at diversifying their sources of income. And part of that has been to renewable energy projects in the Philippines.
Mhm.
Kaya yun yung punta ko sa,
I see.
sa
Pero
UAE.
kasi anong timeline nun? Anong timeline itong mga renewable energy arrangements na to?
Remember, yung isa pang partner sa Pac Silica is UK. And si
Mm.
UK, di ba, ang nuclear city is in Pampanga, Tarlac. And in the adjacent province of Nueva Ecija and Bulacan, nandun yung MGen, yung kay Meralco partnership with a UK-based private equity firm called Actis for a 3.5 gigawatt solar power project that has a 4.5 gigawatt battery energy storage facility. 250 megawatts of that na-commission na. So
Okay.
even as we speak, nangyayari ito. There's another partner country in the Pac Silica na ang kausap naman natin, interested daw siya to put up a LNG import and regas facility in Subic, tapos magkaaroon ng pipeline all the way to Clark para magkaaroon ka naman doon ng LNG power plant. Bumilis talaga with our signing up to the Pac Silica tsaka itong AI native. Tayo rin kinakatok talaga ngayon. So it's really just a matter of laying it all down. Iniisa-isa nga natin ano ba yung mga pain points, ano ba yung challenges. Water ba yan? Power, workforce development, sino yung pa-partner natin. Tapos yung absorptive capacity natin sa Pilipinas with the DepEd projects on AI workforce development, DOST, UP, and of course the private universities. Pag-iisa-isahin natin ito.
Thank you, Yusek. Kasi yan yung isa sa concerns ng mga blocks eh. Baka daw maging binding constraint pa yung power cost dito sa Pilipinas for that vision.
I'm sure it's really an important challenge for us.
Mhm.
Kaya inahanapan natin ng paraan. Maganda lang dito talaga yung best technologies globally. We have the ability to call in the partners to find the best technological solutions for the problems that we are facing.